Hi guys, I thought this was going to be a 3-part series, but welcome to part 4, or what's left of it. As you've probably seen in the thumbnail, disaster. For those of you that just want to see the finished fish, well, go to this part of the video. Now the reason I did that was to show you that I do have some ability when it comes to using my iPad. But what I'm about to tell you now sounds like I don't know what I'm doing. This is what happened. I did about 3 days working on this fish and I filmed every bit of it. And then I did 5 hours editing the film. And when it comes to saving the edited version, there wasn't enough space on my hard disk. So I just had to delete something, right? So I went into the photos and the videos, started to delete. No! And I deleted all the work that I'd just finished. Everything. This is where it gets strange because all the photographs and videos on my iPad, somehow they automatically get transferred from the one I film with onto the other one. It's either Google Drive or Google Photos or Play. I don't know. I've not looked into it. But it's shared between the 2 accounts. So what I don't understand is everything that got deleted off one, well, half of it appeared on the other. But I've tried and tried and tried and I cannot get it back from this one back onto this one. So what I've done, you know, like when you was a kid and you used to record songs off the radio using a microphone. I didn't do that. That was my mate Howard that did that, not me. But anyway, he used to record songs off the radio with a microphone. And I thought to myself, that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to film the videos that are on the other iPad using this iPad. And just film it from the screen. Well, I know the quality is not going to be as good. But hey, at least I've got something to show for it. I couldn't put 3 videos online and then not put the final video on. So here's what I've managed to salvage. Sorry the quality is not brilliant, but at least you've got something. Let's get on with it. The woodwork part of the fish is all finished now. It just needs painting. But instead of putting paint on, I've decided I'm going to try and use these wood stains. They're wood stain varnish. Now what that means is when I put that on, you'll still be able to see all the grain in the wood. Now whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. But the good thing is, if I put it on and don't like it, I can paint over it. Here's a photo I got off the internet and I'm using it as a guide to what colour the fish should be.